going to make this project MusicBand, and I'm going to show you how it works. And let's make it. Delete the cat and choose a sprite, any dancing people, change the size to 50, and take another dancing people, and change the size to 50. And paint a backdrop. And click on the square here and change the color. Take this option here, and here choose one color, and in the other one you can choose another color. And when you draw the square, you can see that there is two colors. And go to this select option, then take this like this, it should look like this, and draw some circles in this color with different colors, and change its color. And duplicate it 3 times. And in the second one, change its color. And in the third one also change its color, the circle's color. And go to code. And you can also pick one mic. Go to music and you can see some music instruments. You can take any of these instruments. And I am going to take this speaker. And see how much costume it's having. And keep it anywhere you want. And take any of these people and keep a forever block. Then change next costume. and keep a green flag option at the top and keep it in another place and keep glide option and then keep it in another place and take another glide option and keep it here and take this program and keep it here and delete these two glide options and take this person to another place and keep that position here and then take it to another place and take another one and here now duplicate this program for this and delete these two glide options and keep this in one place and keep a glide option and keep it in another place and keep another glide option here and see whether it's working like this. And then take this program and keep it in the backdrop and delete these two glide options then keep a changed costume and then keep a weight block then in the speaker select a sound select anyone sound you want and I'm going to choose this sound and keep a forever block and when green flag click and take this go to sound and take this play sound until done and choose the sound you want and see whether it's working like this. And that's it. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.